morning, children. How are you? Fine, very good. You have to study in your houses the lessons which we have studied earlier. Please study. And today and yesterday onwards, we have been dealing with chapter 2, the toy race. This story is about the race, about competition. There are many toys. See, yesterday I was telling Maya toy. See who are there. Maya, then truck, engine, Teddy, then puppy. So all these toys are there in this particular chapter, and they want to have race, they want to have competition, and Maya is very happy because she thinks that I will win the race. So let us see what happens to them. So I read yesterday 3 paragraphs. Today I will explain the paragraphs. So all of you look first paragraph, page number 23, page 23. I am going to win this race, thought Maya. Maya was a doll and she was the fastest runner among all the toys. So she thinks that I will win the race. She is very happy because she thinks that I can run faster, I can win the race. Okay, now next one. Ready? Asked monkey. So monkey here, the monkey I have noted, a monkey is there. Monkey is organizer, or we can say he arranges this particular race. So he says, ready, are you ready? Get, set, ready. So all of you get ready. We will begin the race. Now next para. They were all ready. Truck, engine, clown, Teddy and puppy stood at the start line. So they have to stand at the starting line. So in the line they have to stand. Brum brum. Monkey banged a drum. Okay, so that just above that, Maya with her knees bent was ready to run. So Maya is ready. She is now on the particular line and she is about to run now. So brum brum, monkey banged a drum. So monkey is giving signal. When we use when we are in sports and so on, we use whistle to get ready. So after listening to the whistle, only the children run the race. Similarly here, this particular monkey is using drum and he is banging the drum. So he says he is making some kind of noise, banging it, making noise. See what meaning here, children? What means banged? We bang the door, making some sudden sound. So monkey is making sudden sound so that they can get ready. Next line. The toy race began. Now, so they have all participated in the race. Now they have to run the race. Next line. Maya raced ahead of the others. So Maya was ahead with front side. She was running in front of others. She was thinking that I will get the prize or I will get first position in the race. Next line. In a very short time, she had left the other toys behind. So all other toys were left behind because she was running faster. So other toys were behind. The next line. The first toy to run 3 times around the room would win the race. So what was the condition of the race? That they had to run 3 rounds. They had to run three rounds. So they have to run 3. Those who will, the person or the toy, one who runs 3 rounds in the room will be the first one. Okay, so that was the condition. Next line. Maya was sure that she would be the first one to do it. So Maya was very confident that she will win the match. So she was very certain about it, that she will win the race. Okay, children, till here I have read yesterday. Now next paragraph. First round is done. So first round is done. Already first round is over. 1 round. Maya thought happily. Maya was very happy. Then what happens? Ouch! Someone groaned behind her. Ouch! Some kind of pain. Ouch! Ouch! Some kind of pain, ouch. It is exclamation. Sort of pain. Huh? This Maya heard some sound from the other side. Then, ouch, someone groaning sound. Groaning sound, groan. It is cried in pain. Someone was having some pain, cried. Cried in pain. So someone fell down and started crying. So who is that particular toy? Let us see. It was Puppy. So what happened to Puppy? Puppy fell down while running. He had bumped into airplane that stood near the cupboard. So there was in front of them, in front of this particular Puppy, there was an aeroplane. He just kept there. That Puppy dashed that aeroplane and this Puppy fell down and he started crying in pain. Okay. He had fallen down and lay there shocked. Fallen down. He had fallen and shocked. You are shocked, sometimes surprised, amazed. Surprised. Then this particular, because after falling it was surprised, because it has this particular Puppy also has taken part in this one race. Now Puppy has fallen. What will be the situation now? So Puppy is very worried now. Puppy is very worried, crying in pain. So this is the race that all these participants, all these toys which I have written here, all are taking part in that race and they want to win the race. So children, I will continue again in my next class. So it is enough. Thank you very much.